Meron na akong taga-bit-bit ng luggage ko.
Ari na ang team Lagawan ba? Ang team Lagawan! Ang manager ng team!
Ano yan pala dyan? May pool. Ano yung pool? Swimming pool? Billiard pool.
Hello. Ganda ng hotel ah. First class hotel in Bacolod. Ayan, piyaya. House of Piyaya. Tapos ito bro has. Ito. What's this? Aladdin. Ito. Pinasugbo. Oh, lubid-lubid. Ugoy-ugoy. Paborito. Dami. Oh, ang ganda, 'di ba? Nandito tayo sa Bacolod Heritage Houses.
Kasi yung bakal na tayo. Bakal. Dito mo makikil.
Painian lang doon. Eh,
Bukas yung plug mo maan.
It's what we used before.
yeah, typewriter yan din nung unang panahon. There is no computer.
Oh, look at this wheel.
Wow, yan dati busy bot. At pana.
Ayun siya.
And right, ano yung nakikita nyo?
Sugar cane.
Tubuhan.
Tubo.
Sugarcane fields. Yes. But we also have other flavors. We also have the ube and the mango flavor. But mango, minsan lang po yung production because it's a seasonal fruit. So we have a hard time sourcing the best raw materials for that because we have to choose the sweet mango seed. So most of our production is original and ube. Now, so a little trivia on how we make our mechanized ang paggawa ng biskotso kasi wala pang machine na kayang gawin siya as of now because the slices are uneven. Unlike our loaf bread na parehas lang yung pag-cut sa kanya, ito kasi that's why it's still manual. What's the red? Imagine from the parang lumpia lang kalaki kanina, ganyan na siyang
Yummy. Mag-isa lang siya sa butterscotch sec.
Kaway! Nice, kaway lang, steady. Sige, kaway lang, kaway lang.
So our butterscotch is topped with cashew nuts. Ating butterscotch, very moist.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.